It's a great feeling when the team from Selling Houses Australia can help a family that are really struggling. And that's exactly what we're doing here in Campwin Beach in Queensland. It's one of those special kind of makeovers. Cyclone Debbie isn't the only thing that devastated this beachfront home. Owners Gill and Nicole were also dealing with cancer treatment, 2 mortgages and only 1 income. Shayna brought a little ray of sunshine with her bright and breezy wall colours and with some built-in mould and mildew resistance. New interior shutters add a bit of privacy and let the ocean breezes flow through. And the overall styling is beach pad perfect. Outside, the big bare block has become a seaside sanctuary. This transformation is magic. I just hope the makeover turns the tide for our lovely homeowners.